How to create a website through WordPress. Creating a website through WordPress is a straightforward process, and you don't need any coding or design skills to get started. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a website through WordPress. Choose a web hosting provider. To get started with WordPress, you need to choose a web hosting provider that offers WordPress hosting services. Some of the popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine. Install WordPress. Once you've chosen a web hosting provider, you can install WordPress on your website. Many web hosting providers offer one-click installations for WordPress, making the process quick and easy. Choose a theme. After installing WordPress, you can choose a theme for your website. WordPress offers thousands of free and paid themes that you can use to customize the look and feel of your website. Install plugins. Plugins are add-ons that you can use to add functionality to your website. Some popular plugins include Yoast SEO, Contact Form 7, and Jetpack. Create pages and posts. With WordPress, you can create pages and posts for your website. Pages are typically used for static content such as your About page or Contact page, while posts are used for blog content. Customize your website. WordPress allows you to customize your website in many ways, including changing the colors and fonts, adding widgets to your sidebar, and creating custom menus. Add content. Once you've set up your website, you can start adding content such as blog posts, images, and videos. Launch your website. Once you're happy with your website, you can launch it for the world to see. In summary, creating a website through WordPress involves choosing a web hosting provider, installing WordPress, choosing a theme, installing plugins, creating pages and posts, customizing your website, adding content, and launching your website. Thanks for watching.